The majority of people at some point in their life will become incapacitated from car wreck, head trauma, stroke, heart attack, Alzheimer's, dementia, those types of issues. Yes, it tends to happen a lot to the elderly, but it also happens to people before they're elderly. So we encourage you to do the pre-planning in advance for the future incapacity that is likely to happen for the majority of people. If you become incapacitated, which basically means you lose the ability to make your own decisions, think Alzheimer's, dementia, severe head trauma, stroke, perhaps something like that, to handle your own affairs, to be able to make your own medical decisions, to be able to manage your bank account and balance your checking account anymore, to be able to pay your taxes, do your taxes, all of those types of issues. When someone's incapacitated, they lose the ability to make those medical and financial decisions. Incapacity planning consists of durable powers of attorney, medical powers of attorney, pre-need guardianship, those types of issues. So who has the ability in writing, in advance, to make decisions for you should you become incapacitated? Who's going to be able to tell the doctor to pull the plug or to keep you plugged in? Who's going to be able to have the ability to transact with your bank, to pay your bills while you're in a hospital or you're in a nursing home, just to manage your financial affairs? And also who you want the court to appoint as your permanent guardian, should you need a permanent guardian to be appointed for you by a court of law. If you don't have incapacity planning, then think of it this way. That person you don't like, you don't trust, might be assigned by a court to make the medical decision for you, to pull the plug or not pull the plug. And they may not have your best interest at heart. They may think in polar opposite of what you would have actually done. What if the court appoints someone to make financial decisions for you that you don't trust? They had a bankruptcy in their past. They're just not good with money. You don't trust them with money. You're afraid they might actually take that money and run off. All of these, and just sitting knowing that you could be incapacitated and someone else is managing your affairs and you don't 100% trust that person. What we always tell our clients is, one, nominate someone who you can trust, they're honest. And number two, when it comes to money, someone who's had money before, because if they've had money, they're more likely to be able to handle it well, in my opinion. Incapacity planning can be done online quickly and cheaply, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be done the way that you need it to be done. We've dealt with over 1,000 of our clients, these estates, regarding incapacity planning. So we really understand the questions that need to be asked of you so that you name the right people in advance. Because if you haven't done it before, you're just going online, you may not be thinking through all of the scenarios, right? Do you want one agent or do you want co-agents? Will they get along or are they likely to fight? Is that person trustworthy? Do they have money such that you believe that they can handle your money? Or have they filed for bankruptcy, had problems, been in and out of jail, lost jobs? I wouldn't want that person handling my money. So you really need to think through these. And again, why would you risk your life savings if you're in an incapacitated state just because you want to save a few bucks by doing something online? I believe our clients hire us because we're responsive. We tend to get back to them quickly when they contact us. We give very personalized service. It's not handing off to clerks here and there. We have upfront pricing that's transparent on our website, and that's very different for our industry, which is typically not going to tell you the price up front. We have extremely competitive fees, and on our personal injury contingency cases, we have lower contingency fees than industry average. I think to know what our clients would say about us, you could just go online and read the reviews. There's over 500 reviews across Yelp, Google, Justia, Avvo, lots of different places next door where people leave reviews. And the things that they tend to say about us is we have personalized service, we're efficient, we are a firm where they didn't have the stress and anxiety that they thought they would feel when they were seeking out a law firm. They enjoyed the one-on-one style service that we provide, and they've just really enjoyed working with us, and we enjoy our clients. Like, we get a lot of gratitude ourselves in serving our clients. Client communication is vital. Clients need to know that we care. And one of the ways they get to see that we care is by a quick response. Now, we're not always able to call them back immediately, but really as a firm, we have a goal of trying to contact them within 7 minutes. We can't guarantee that, but we try hard, and we try to email them and call them back or text them just as quickly as we can, because it sets the pace for who we are as a firm. We're responsive, we're personalized, and we really care about them. And if we take days to get back to them, they're not going to think that we care. We really do care, and it shows in our response times. We are a small boutique firm, and I think that serves our clients well because they get that individualized one-on-one service, that customization where they're not just being pawned off to another lower level attorney or to a clerk or to an admin. We're really getting in deep with them one-on-one with the attorney they're working with, or in some cases we have a few attorneys that we work with. But I think that small boutique-y feel really helps our clients know that they're going to get the service that they deserve. During your initial consultation for incapacity planning, the first thing is we're going to try to respond to you just as quickly as we can. We're going to respond by email, phone, and/or text to try to have a conversation with you. Second, you can book a meeting with us through our online booking tool, which makes it very simple to book a meeting with us. And third, during our meeting, we're going to have you fill out a questionnaire and/or ask you questions that are pertinent to your situation, walk you through different scenarios that you could potentially be in, from a stroke, heart attack, Alzheimer's, dementia, head trauma, something like that, asking you who you would want to make decisions for you if you're ever in that situation, and walking you through a variety of scenarios so that you make the best decisions, and we help you through that process.